पिछले 5 वर्षों से गुना शिवपुरी में हम अंजाम लाने में सफल हैं। जनता का पूरा आशीर्वाद रहेगा।
Sir, in the campaign also in your rally you said that the campaign against you had been vicious this time. What do you have to say about that?
I have nothing to say. What do you want me to say? I have to run my campaign. I cannot make comments on the campaign that you run. I really believe that you must run a campaign like a sports person. It should be a fair campaign. It should be a...
That you are a Maharaja.
Whatever that may be. But they have to run their campaign.
The BJP has made this
they may run a negative campaign. They may do whatever they like. I believe in positivity in life. And I've tried to run a very positive campaign. And we will see the outcome of that on the 16th of May.
जयभान सिंह पवैया वही हैं जिन्होंने आपके पिता के साथ ग्वालियर में टक्कर दी थी। क्या ये एक साख और नाक की भी लड़ाई है? उनका स्वागत है यहाँ, जैसे मैंने कहा कि हमारी देश की एक बहुत पुरानी संस्कृति है अतिथि देवो भव की। गुना शिवपुरी में उनका स्वागत है। गुना शिवपुरी की जनता ने उनका सत्कार भी किया है और मुझे विश्वास है कि आज उनकी विदाई भी की जाएगी।
What about this Narendra Modi wave that they are talking about?
आप कितने? I don't know how many days you've been here.
I've been here for a week now.
You've been here for a week. Have you seen a Modi Leher?
Not in Guna, but
I mean, you're in Guna with me right now. So, have you seen a Modi Leher?
I want to know it from you.
नहीं पर जनता बोल रही है मोदी के नारे लगा रही है।
If I say something, you will ascribe it to a political reason. I think the most neutral observer would be you. And I think you've given me your answer.
Mr. Scindia, why should the people of Guna vote you in power for a 4th consecutive term? Why should they vote for you again?
Well, I think if you come around with me in my constituency, and I think if you see the development that has been done, then I don't think you'll ask me that question. But as a commentator and a reporter, I think it's your duty to ask me that question. So I think the plain and simple answer to that is that the record of development in this area, and I'm coming back to the people with not a 12-year record. I'm coming back to the people with purely only a 5-year record. I can even come back with a 12-year record. But in the last 12 years, we bought about 23,000 crores worth of projects here. In the last 5 years, about 9,000 crores. If you come with me to rural Guna and Shivpuri, you'll probably not see the quality of roads that you see here anywhere else in the state. If you look at the development in terms of electricity, in terms of national and international institutions that have been set up here, whether it's in Guna, whether it's in Shivpuri, whether it's in Ashoknagar.
Right.
So my purpose in politics is very simple. It's development and progress. That's my single point agenda.
All right, development and
progress.
But what about anti-incumbency and the huge perception about corruption that your party is facing?
Well, I really believe that incumbency or anti-incumbency is in many ways a reflection of your connect with the people. I believe I have a very strong connect with the people here.
What about the Congress
but
party?
I think the proof of the pudding is in the eating. It will be too presumptuous of me to make that comment so vociferously today. I think we'll have to see what happens at the end of polling and on the 16th of May. But I'm very confident.